Hello everyone, welcome back to English Elementary level with me Miss Penh Sorkheng, an English teacher of Preah Sisowath New Generation High School. Today we are going to learn about Unit 7 that to remember but with new point, prepositions of time. I'm sure that sometimes you may get confused whether to use preposition of time correctly in your sentence. But don't worry, after watching this video, you will be able to use prepositions of time to complete your sentence correctly after practicing some exercise. You also can identify the differences between prepositions of time in on and clearly. More than this, you also can use prepositions of time to talk about your daily activity appropriately. Now let's begin some example. I have some sentences which you have to read and you have to use in, on, or at to complete it. So the first one, I graduated blank 5th 2015. The second one, my cousin was born blank Monday. So please spend 5 seconds to choose in, on, or at to complete your sentence based on what you have known before. Let's start. So please think carefully, don't worry about the mistake. Okay, time's up. Let's see the answer all together. So, I graduated. The answer is on. I graduated on 5th 2015. The second one, my cousin was born on Monday. Now let's go to see another example. If you do not get the correct answer, don't worry. Try with this. We go camping blank the spring and we swim blank the morning. Again, you have 5 seconds to choose prepositions of time to complete it. Let's begin all together. If you notice, you may be able to choose the answer correctly. Okay, time's up again. Let's see the answer all together. So, we go camping in the spring and we swim in the morning. This is the last example. I'm sure that based on the previous example, you can choose the correct answer correctly. 5 seconds again. Let's start. Think carefully. Flash back to the previous example so you get the answer easily. So I get up early at Christmas and we go to school at 7 o'clock. Okay, so maybe after you see this example, you can clarify some of differences between preposition of time in on at. So before we go into see the explanation or the usage, please try to do this quiz a little bit. I have 6 statements, so you have to read it and then check if it is true or false based on the example and what you have known before. This time you have 15 seconds to think about it. Let's begin. So the first one, I have a meeting on June. I go swimming on Sundays. We eat dinner at 7 o'clock. We met an old friend at the evening. She went to Canada in 2002 and you visited me in Monday. Okay, time's up again. Time is flying everyone, so you have to think quickly. Let's check the answer all together. So number 1, I have a meeting on June. It's fall. He goes swimming on Sundays. True. They ate dinner at 7 o'clock. True. We met an old friend at the evening. Fall. And she went to Canada. True. The last one is fall. Why number 1, number 4, and number 6 are false? Let's see the explanation all together. So this is like you see on the board here. In preposition of time in, we use with months, like in January, in April, in October. So just think in a simple way that all the months, all the 12 months are used with in. Only month, not include the date or the day. Another one is season. So we have 4 seasons in a year, like in the summer, in the winter, in the fall, and in the spring. Also used with preposition in. The next one is years. All the years without month, day, or date, you also use it with in, like in 1999, in 2000, in 2012, In 2020, in 2080, only years used with in. The last one is part of the day. So within a day, we have 3 parts: morning, evening, and afternoon. Those 3 parts are used with in as well. Okay, let's go to the next one is on. On we use with days of the week. Everyone knows day of the week, right? So Monday until Sunday are used with on. Example, on Monday, on Tuesday, or on Wednesday. The next one is that. Sorry. That also used with on, like on June 5th, on March 22nd, on May 13th, or on the 2nd of November. So all the that we use with on. And special day, like Christmas Day, New Year days, on my birthday. So all the special day used with on. Sorry, I have a problem with my throat. Maybe I need to drink a little bit water, sorry. So let's continue to the last one is at. At we use with clock time, like at 7 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, or at 10 o'clock. Sorry, at 10:30. So this one I think everybody knows. Usually when you talk about time, we use with at. And here, the next one is festival, special time of the year, at Christmas. This one, please don't get confused. You say at Christmas, but on Christmas Day. At Easter, at Water Festival, but on Water Festival Day. The special time of the year used with at, but if you include the word day in it, you use it with on. So please take note a little bit. And you also can you add with other time expression like at the weekend, at night, or at noon. We have more. However, we use time expression with prepositions of time in on at, but some time expression like yesterday, tomorrow, today, last weekend, or tonight, it doesn't require or need prepositions of time. So when you use it, do not use in, on, at with it. You can say, I met her yesterday, but you cannot say, I met her on yesterday. You can say, I will go to school tomorrow, but not I will go to school at tomorrow. So if you see these words, do not use it with prepositions of time. So after you see the explanation, let's practice some exercise. I have 3 sentences with 3 different answers. You have to think carefully to choose the correct answer and to think the reason why you choose it. It is easy to choose the answer, but a little bit to think of the reason. But if you flash back to the previous slide, to the example, you may be able to choose it easily. Let's begin. You have 15 seconds again. Okay, so the first one, she came to Cambodia, 2010. Number 2, her birthday is October 1st. Number 3, I have a test for English age 15. Time also up. Let's see the example. Let's see the answer all together. So number 1, she came to Cambodia in 2010. A is the correct answer because, like you know, years is used with in. 2010 is the year. Number 2, her birthday is on October 1st. B is the correct answer. That is used with on. And number 3, it is super easy because it is the clock time. It must use with at. I have a test for English at age 15. Yes. So now if you do not get all the correct answer, don't worry. We have this one. I have a list of time expression, and what are you going to do is to write in, on, or at, or just leave it blank. If you think that those expressions do not need any prepositions of time, just leave it blank. So another 15 seconds again. Should we begin? Okay, let's go. Think carefully, like Monday, June 2002, the 2nd of November, the afternoon, night, 7 o'clock, my New Year days, summer, tomorrow morning, Tuesday next week, 1st 2001, Christmas, and yesterday night. Okay, time's up. Let's see the example. Sorry, why I always confuse example and answer all together. Okay, let's check the answer all together. So, on Monday, in June, in 2002, on the 2nd of November, in the afternoon, at night, at 7 o'clock, on Khmer New Year days, not at Khmer New Year days, and in summer, tomorrow morning, it doesn't need any prepositions of time, so just leave it blank. And on Tuesday next week, on 1st 2001, and at Christmas, not on Christmas. The last one, yesterday night, also doesn't need any prepositions of time. I hope that you got all the answer correctly, right? See the reason here, like you know, days and days used with on, like on Monday, on the 2nd of November, on Khmer New Year days, on Tuesday next week, on 1st 2001, and month, year, season, and parts of the day we use with in. So in June, in 2002, in the afternoon, in summer. Clock and special time of the year we use with at, like at night, at 7 o'clock, or at Christmas. Yesterday and tomorrow do not need any preposition. So it's all for the lesson today. Can you tell me again how do we use prepositions of time in on at? Sing a few can. Maybe you do not remember. Okay, let's see all together. So here is the conclusion for you. In you with month, season, year, and part of the day. On is you with days of the week, that and special day. At is you with clock time, festival, special time of the year, and others. If you want to know another information, you can go through this link. There are many more explanations about preposition of time in on at. Bye for now and wish you a good luck. Goodbye.